Hello everyone and cowabunga. We are so excited to tell you about the Campkin's Beach Party Virtual RV Show. It has been a long winter. They even canceled March break, so nobody's been to the beach. But we're bringing the beach vibe to you, baby.
That's right, so over the next 2 days, we're gonna be hanging out in the sand and under the sun and showing you some of our favorite RVs. So this is how Campkin's Beach Party Virtual RV Show is going to work. Day one, we are showing couples trailers and toy haulers. Couples trailers don't have bunk beds. Instead, they have the extra space in the living area, and toy haulers have extra space in them for your motorized toys. As the show goes on, you will see that we try to go from smallest to largest so that you can find the right fit for you.
And on day two, we are showing our bunk model trailers. Again, we have included all sizes and price points to give you lots to choose from. We will be going from our smallest minivan towable 16-foot models all the way up to trailers that are over 30 feet.
To make this even more fun, we will be having tips and tricks for your RVs, as well as parts deals and lots of giveaways, including the big Cowabunga grand prize for some lucky winner of $2,500 off your RV purchase.
And hey, this is a beach party too, so we're gonna have tons of fun games that you can play at the beach or at the campground. The virtual portion of the Beach Party RV Show will air on the 27th and 28th at noon. There will be great prizes. You'll be able to speak to our reps. The virtual experience is always best if you can watch it as it premieres, but it will be available to watch anytime after it first plays.
So most people still want to come out and view the trailers live, so that's what we're going to do. Here's the plan. We'll be booking appointments from Thursday, May 27th to Saturday, June 5th. Anyone who books an appointment at this time will receive a special treat for coming, and if you purchase, you get a beach party gift pack, plus you'll be put into the draw for the Cowabunga grand prize.
So how can we do this safely in the middle of COVID-19? Well, this is how we're gonna do it, by booking your time slot. All you have to do is text us at 905-655-8613, and we will connect you with one of our RV advisors. They can set up a time for you to come down and see the amazing RVs in our Campkin's RV Beach Party.
We want you to do what you're comfortable with, so there are two options. First, you can view the trailers virtually on Thursday, May 27th and Friday, May 28th at 12 p.m. And then if you feel comfortable, you can set up your appointment to come and see the trailers for yourself until Saturday, June 5th by calling or texting us at 905-655-8613.
Either way, we're looking forward to hanging out with you at our first ever Campkin's Beach Party Virtual RV Show.
It's gonna be totally rad, dude, for sure!